Assalamualaikum everyone, my name is Gulazara, here to bring you a newspaper breakdown session courtesy of the KIP CSS network. I hope that this Eid has found you in good health and spirits, and I hope कि ईद के बाद भी आप लोग बाजारों का रुख नहीं करेंगे. And I know restaurants are open, takeaways are open and all that, लेकिन आप बर्गर्स और ये चीज़ें खाए बगैर भी कुछ टाइम गुजार सकते हैं. इतना टाइम गुजार लिए, ये टाइम भी गुजार लें. So as of right now in Pakistan, we have surpassed the number of cases that China has, even with a limited testing capacity and a population that is 5 times smaller than that of our Chinese counterparts. और ये कोई फख्र की बात नहीं है. Somehow Pakistan always ends up in lists like these. So this is a wake-up call for all of you who think that this is a hoax, okay, or you think that you are invincible and nothing is going to happen to you. That is not the case, and that will never be the case. This is a virus, and it is going to find each and every one of us sooner or later. But what we can do is kind of like stay at home and try not to, बैल मुझे मार वाली बात हो. So for today, what we're going to be discussing is the Black Lives Matter movement, the riots and the protests that have been occurring all across America, in all cities of America, in a lot of cities of America as well, and the problems that the black community has been facing for quite some time now. Not just the black community, but the Latino community as well. We're going to be linking that to the populist movement and President Donald J. Trump's populist and protectionist narrative concerning the minorities inside the United States of America. So for a background, let us start with 3 major incidences that happened over the course of these past few weeks. Ahmaud Arbery was lynched by known to white supremacists. He was a black jogger out jogging, and he was tagged as a would-be burglar or a burglar. He was killed at point blank range. Okay? Then we have Breonna Taylor. She was an RN nurse, okay? And she was also working in the emergency department in Ohio. So she was killed by policemen who broke into her home and fired without provocation. Only her husband survived. And then we have the face of the Black Lives Matter movement, George Floyd. George Floyd was arrested outside of a convenience store on charges or on a complaint that he was trying to pass off a forged $20 check. ठीक है, एक $20 के चेक के ऊपर उस पर पुलिस बुलाई गई. ठीक है, वाज़ेह रहे कि वो जो स्टोर ओनर्स थे, they were Arabs. Alright. So what happened was that 4 police officers arrived on the scene, and surveillance footage shows that George Floyd was manhandled before he was handcuffed, laid down, and a knee was put to his neck. So this knee to the neck maneuver is extremely, you can say, controversial in the sense that it puts a lot of undue force along with a blunt, sharp object, because knees are extremely, you can say, bony structures. Okay? It was placed right on his neck over here. So what do you have running all around through this part of the neck is your carotid arteries, okay? And some major arteries that supply blood to the brain as well. So for a period of 8 minutes, more than 8 minutes, George Floyd begged the officers to remove his neck because he couldn't breathe. And when he became unresponsive, the officer in question who had the knee in George Floyd's neck, his name is Derek Chauvin, kept his knee on the dead man's neck for another 3 minutes. George Floyd died. ये सारा incident आपके पास वीडियो पे कैप्चर हो गया, and this video went viral. What happened was an unprecedented movement, ठीक है, that was already in the making. ठीक है, एक powder cake बन चुका हुआ था by the deaths of Ahmaud Arbery and Breonna Taylor. What happened was George Floyd and his last dying words, "I can't breathe," became the face of Black Lives Matter movement. अब ये movement अभी की नहीं है, ठीक है. बहुत सारी movements जो हैं वो they have been working movements नहीं, I would say there have been a lot of incidences of black injustice, justice committed against blacks, injustice committed against blacks by police authorities. ठीक है, police brutality is something that is endemic inside the United States of America. ठीक है, whereon the system is very you can say inclined towards justice. ठीक है, the American justice system is very strong, लेकिन आपके पास you still have a lot of bad cops. ठीक है, और ये incidences जो हैं trying to save their white colleagues. ठीक है, what happened was कि ये they have been buried over a lot of years. ठीक है, अब इस प्रोटेस्ट से पहले लेट्स टेक अ लुक एट वन वेरी नोटेबल प्रोटेस्ट ऑफ 1962. ठीक है, दैट हैपेंड व्हेन द ब्लैक वॉल स्ट्रीट, अ वेरी इन्फ्लुएंशियल ब्लैक नेबरहुड, वाज बर्न्ड डाउन एंड अराउंड 300 blacks were killed. 300 black people were killed in those riots. ठीक है, people rose up against it. ठीक है, उससे पहले आपके पास जो segregation थी between blacks and whites, ठीक है, उसके against movements आपके पास जारी हुई है. ठीक है, and then we have people like Angela Davis who was a very prominent black rights writer. ठीक है, she was detained on trumped up charges. We have a lot of cases all across American history that detail the struggle of the black people in trying to validate themselves against state policies, against American people in general. ठीक है, so the Black Lives Matter movement, अगर आप इसकी जेनेसिस देखते हैं या अगर आप इसका प्रोग्रेस देखते हैं तो वो काफी हद तक इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक दैट ऑफ द अरब स्प्रिंग. ठीक है, वन वायरल इंसिडेंट, social media. ठीक है, and in which case social media, Twitter has been extremely influential in spreading the entire narrative of Black Lives Matter all across to the people in the world that use Twitter. That is a sizable platform. So Black Lives Matter, they do matter, लेकिन are these protests going to make any difference? वाज़ेह है कि अगर आप अरब स्प्रिंग देखते हैं, ठीक है, तो अरब स्प्रिंग के अंदर भी एक यही मैनिफेस्टो था that they had to get rid of the injustices that were being committed against them. लेकिन एक फंडामेंटल इनके अंदर सिमिलैरिटी, दैट इज दैट दीज प्रोटेस्ट्स, दीज रॉइट्स आर डिसेंट्रलाइज्ड. मतलब ये कि इनके पास कोई प्रॉपर लीडरशिप नहीं है. एंड व्हेन दैट हैपेंस, व्हेन देयर इज अ लैक ऑफ लीडरशिप इन ट्राइंग टू पुट अक्रॉस योर पॉइंट, इन ट्राइंग टू कंडक्ट अ प्रॉपर मूवमेंट, व्हेन दैट हैपेंस आपके पास एक पावर गैप आता है. ठीक है, और जब ये पावर गैप बनता है तो anyone with nefarious purposes rushes in to fill that gap. In the case of Syria, ठीक है, in the case of the Middle East, आपके पास जो है वो constitutionally countries बहुत weak हैं. ठीक है, और आपके पास authoritarian measures तो already they were being taken. लेकिन the fundamental difference between the Middle East and the Arab Spring, the fundamental difference between the Middle East, the Arab Spring, the Black Lives Movement matter, ठीक है, and the United States of America, ठीक है, is that their democratic system is extremely strong, number one. Number two, people are cognizant of their rights. Number three, President Donald J. Trump cannot be overtly authoritarian. ठीक है, and the Black Lives movement, the Black Lives Matter movement is gaining momentum slowly and steadily all across the cities of the United States of America. Not only that, this movement has sparked a lot of protests in London, in Europe, in Germany, in China as well, where black people, just solely based on the color of the skin, are being discriminated against. ये बात सिर्फ अभी की नहीं है. During the 2014 Ebola pandemic, African people inside China, inside Europe were shunned and sidelined because they were seen as bearers of disease. ठीक है, so this inherent classism, I would say, or this colorism, जहाँ आप कलर की बेसिस के ऊपर अगले को डेनिग्रेट करते हैं कि they are dirty people. ठीक है, that was very prominent during that time period. ठीक है, लेकिन as of right now the tables are turning. The Black Lives Matter movement is slowly and steadily gaining credence. The 4 officers that were involved in George Floyd's murder were charged. ठीक है, लेकिन police brutality and police atrocities are not going anywhere. अगर आप देखिए फुटेजेस, ठीक है, ऑफ द प्रोटेस्ट, और जिस तरह प्रोटेस्टर्स जो हैं वो दे आर बीइंग मैन हैंडल्ड बाय द पुलिस. ठीक है, द प्रोटेस्ट वर एप्ट टू टर्न वायलेंट. Alright, so this has exposed a deep flaw in the American justice system. That is, keeping the lives of the white colleagues above the lives of the black people. ठीक है, there is inherent discrimination. Alright, और इस discrimination में ना सिर्फ आपके पास जो predominantly white population शामिल है, इसके अंदर आपके पास even Arab people, Chinese Americans that reside in the United States of America, they are also involved in this systemic, you can say, racism. All right, so अगर आप इस सारे को एनालाइज करते हैं कि व्हाट डज इट बोड फॉर अमेरिका, इट डज नॉट बोड वेल. And I do know that a lot of people around me or my viewers that are listening to it, they believe that America had it coming. Yes, America did have it coming. There had to be a domestic movement that underlines how America has been consistently over the centuries developed this narrative that it is a purveyor of peace and justice. It's not. If it cannot give justice to its own citizens, कहाँ का जस्टिस है भाई? ठीक है, इट्स लाइक अ कार्मा और इट्स कार्मा ऑफ सॉर्ट्स. ठीक है, कि आप इंतशार बाकी कंट्रीज में ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड फैलाते आए हैं, ठीक है, और इंतशार अब आपकी कंट्री में. लेकिन अब क्यों? व्हाई राइट नाउ? देयर इज अ ह्यूज लॉन्ग टाइम लाइन, डेकेड्स ऑफ सिस्टमैटिक अब्यूज अगेंस्ट डार्क स्किन पीपल. अभी क्यों? अभी इसलिए because US President Donald J. Trump is the most overtly racist, the most overtly misogynist, the most overtly, I would say, authoritarian president that America has ever had. And his divisive policies have done nothing but divide, obviously. ठीक है, उसकी policies, on the surface he says that I'm going to make America great again, but his divisive policies have broken the very fabric of what made America great. That is its inclusivity. That is its that is the aura of its of America being a safe haven for its own people. Okay? That is going to undermine America's place in the world, in the global arena. ठीक है, while it battles the coronavirus, ठीक है, while it battles the protests that are raging all across its cities, ठीक है, America is going to be slipping further down the global, I could say, the global relevance index. ठीक है, and ये जो Black Lives Matter movement है, that is being translated all across the world as well. ठीक है, it has become global. All right. So in conclusion, I would like to say that this is an issue that we should all be clearly following, because racism inside Pakistan is also endemic. अगर आप जॉर्ज फ्लॉयड के कत्ल से परेशान हुए हैं, because it was a horrible death, if you feel that it was injustice, then take a look around at what we all do to our minorities. ठीक है, अगर आप बलोचियों की तरफ देखते हैं, ठीक है, we have they are conducting a very peaceful rally in Balochistan right now. ठीक है, and what we are doing against our young children, ठीक है, what we are doing against Pakhtuns, all right, और ये inherent racism है. ठीक है, how many times I have come across, or how many times I have told my students to stop ribbing their Sindhi or their Pashtun counterparts. ठीक है, so in the end, we all are humans. And today, I would like my viewers to take this with them to home, that all lives matter. Black lives matter. Pashtun lives matter. Balochi lives matter. Okay? So, I don't think that anyone that has even half a heart would not be disturbed by George Floyd's death. But before talking about George Floyd's death, make sure that you do know the status of what we do to our ethnic minorities inside Pakistan. We do, not the state, not the army, not any other person. We do. Try to overcome your own racial prejudices. किसी को ये पागल है, ये पठान है कहने से पहले 100 दफा सोचना है आपने. आप पंजाबियों के भी पागल हैं, आप सिंधियों के भी पागल हैं. ठीक है, सारे पाकिस्तानी जो हैं. All right. So this is all for today, and to wrap it up on a heartfelt note, to all my listeners, racism is not done. Alright, racism is something that we need to let go of, especially since you are going to be CSP officers in the future, inshallah. You need to be objective. You need to get above the Sindhi, Punjabi, Pashtun, straight up. Okay? You all are humans. You all are Pakistanis. And in the same way, every black lives matter. every Hispanic lives matter, every Palestinian lives matter, every Kashmiri lives matter, and if they do not, then we are not human. So this is all for today, and Juma Mubarak to all of you. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.